Filing for Child Support Informational Video Series. This is an informational video created and produced by CHS Training and Education Program. This video is intended for informational and learning purposes only and shall not be construed as legal advice. CHS is not liable for any misuse of information contained herein. How to start a case for child support. In this video, we will talk about how to start a case to get child support. There are many steps included in this process. Establish parentage, which means assigning a parental relationship. First, you must establish parentage. Parentage is the legal relationship between a parent and a child. It includes both maternity, mom and child relationship, and paternity, dad and child relationship. When parentage is formed, it means that the person is the legal parent of the child. It also means that that person has certain rights and responsibilities, like parenting time and child support. If a person was married to a child's mother when she became pregnant or when the child was born, that person is legally assumed to be the child's legal parent. Otherwise, the person will need to establish parentage to become the legal parent of the child. Parentage can be established in 3 ways. Voluntary acknowledgement of parentage, VAP. This is used when both parents agree who is the mother and who is the father. Number 2, go to court. This is used when the parents do not agree about who is the mother or father. The Department of Healthcare and Family Services, DHFS hearing. This is used when one person is receiving assistance and needs to establish paternity. It is best to establish parentage as soon as possible. You can file for parentage up to the day the child turns 18, and in some cases, later. When to contact a lawyer. You should talk to a lawyer about establishing parentage if you want to get parental responsibilities like custody or visitation, but the mother does not agree. You think that the mother will say you are a danger to her or the child. You have waited for more than 2 years after the child has turned 18 or is emancipated. The child is not living with you or another person. You do not know where the child is. Once you have established parentage, you can start a request for child support and fill out the child support forms. This is different for married parents and unmarried parents. For married parents, you will need a petition for dissolution of marriage, a petition for temporary child support, a petition for child support, and a summons. Be sure to make 3 copies of each form. You can find the forms online. For unmarried parents, you will need the mother's petition for parentage and allocation, the father's petition for parentage and allocation, and a summons. Be sure to make 3 copies of each form. You can find the forms online. When you are done filling out the forms, you will need to file the forms with the circuit clerk at the courthouse in the county where you live. You can file the forms at the courthouse, or you can e-file online. You must pay the filing fees or file for an application for waiver of court fees. The circuit clerk will stamp and keep the originals. Ask for them to stamp all of your copies as well. Ask for the court date. The court will either tell you the date or tell you how to find out your date. When filing is completed, you must send the other party a summons to tell them about the lawsuit. It is your responsibility to make sure that the other person gets the summons. You can either inform the other parent yourself or ask the court to alert the other party for you, and there may be a fee. If you do not give the other party a summons, or they never receive the summons telling them about your lawsuit within the required time, the lawsuit may be dismissed because there was no proper notice. The financial affidavit. These forms ask for information about your income, property, debts, monthly expenses, or assets. Many circuit clerk offices have blank financial affidavits for you to fill out and file. Once you fill it out, file it with the circuit clerk and send a copy to the other parent. Keep a copy for your records so that you can provide one to the assigned judge. You must send a copy of anything you file with the circuit clerk to the other parent, and then file proof of service that shows that you sent the copy to the other parent. Next, go to court. Show up to court on time, either in person or online. Bring copies of all of the documents you filed and any papers relating to your case. Answer any questions from the judge honestly. The judge will listen to both parties and review all documents and evidence, and then make their decision. This decision is called the order for support. Mail the forms to the other parent's employers. The order for support, the income withholding for support form, and mail those forms to their employer. Send it by certified mail. The child support will then automatically be deducted from the parent's paycheck and sent to you. CHS is available to help. We have advocates who can navigate you through this process. Contact us at any time. Our information is on the screen.